Hi, everyone. Welcome back to EnglishEdge Studio Conversations, the podcast where we help you sound more confident in real-life English situations. I'm Anna.
And I'm Ben. Today, we're going to talk about one of the most useful topics ever, English at the airport.
Exactly. If you've ever traveled abroad, you know that airports can be stressful. Check-in, security, boarding, announcements, all in English.
So today, we'll take you through a full airport journey, from checking in to arriving at your destination using real, natural English.
Let's imagine you're flying from Phnom Penh to London. Ready?
Ready? Let's go. At the check-in counter.
Good morning. I'd like to check in for my flight to London, please.
Good morning. May I see your passport and ticket, please?
Sure. Here you go.
Thank you. Are you checking in any luggage today?
Yes, just one suitcase.
Perfect. Could you please place your bag on the scale? Okay, that's 18 kilograms. Well within the limit.
Great.
Here's your boarding pass. Your gate is B12, and boarding starts at 9:15.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a nice flight.
Thanks.
So, let's pause for a second. Did you hear those useful phrases?
Yes, let's go over them quickly.
When checking in, the agent might say, "May I see your passport and ticket, please? Are you checking in any luggage today? Please place your bag on the scale."
And as a passenger, you might say, I'd like to check in for my flight to just one suitcase. Thank you so much.
Perfect. Those are super common expressions.
At security check.
Excuse me, sir. Please remove your laptop and any liquids from your bag. Sure, no problem. Do I need to take off my shoes, too?
Yes, please. And put your phone and wallet in the tray.
Okay, here you go.
Thank you. Please walk through the metal detector.
Beep.
Oh, please step aside for a moment. Do you have any coins or keys in your pocket?
Ah, yes, some coins. Sorry about that.
No problem. You can go through again.
Silence.
Perfect. You're all set.
Thanks.
Security checks can feel stressful, right?
Oh, definitely. But knowing these phrases helps a lot.
Here are some useful ones. Please remove your laptop and liquids.
Do I need to take off my shoes?
Please walk through the metal detector.
And remember to listen carefully. Security officers usually speak fast but clearly.
At passport control, immigration.
Good morning. Can I see your passport, please?
Sure. Here you go.
What is the purpose of your visit?
I'm here for vacation.
How long will you stay in the UK?
2 weeks for vacation.
Where will you be staying?
At a hotel in central London.
Okay, thank you. Enjoy your stay.
Thank you.
That's another very common situation. The officer will ask simple but important questions.
Yes, and it's good to answer clearly and politely.
Here are common questions you might hear. What is the purpose of your visit? How long will you stay? Where will you be staying?
And you can answer, I'm here for business, vacation, visiting family. I'll stay for 2 weeks. I'm staying at a hotel.
At the gate. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is the final boarding call for Flight 202 to London. Please proceed to gate B12 immediately. Excuse me, is this the gate for the flight to London?
Yes, sir. May I see your boarding pass, please?
Sure, here it is.
Thank you. Please go ahead. You're in seat 14A by the window.
Perfect. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a pleasant flight.
I love that phrase. Have a pleasant flight. It sounds so polite.
Yes, it's one of those nice travel expressions.
Let's list a few. Final boarding call means the last chance to get on the plane. Please proceed to gate means go to your gate. Have a pleasant flight. Polite goodbye before boarding. On the plane.
Good morning. Welcome on board. Can I help you find your seat?
Yes, please. I'm in 14A.
That's just over here by the window. May I take your jacket?
Sure, thank you.
Would you like something to drink? We have water, juice, coffee, and tea.
I'll have some orange juice, please.
Here you go. Enjoy your flight.
Thanks.
At arrival at destination.
Welcome to the United Kingdom. May I see your passport, please? Sure. How long do you plan to stay? 2 weeks, for vacation. Do you have anything to declare? No, nothing to declare. All right, enjoy your stay. Thank you.
So, Ben, that was quite a journey.
It really was. We went through check-in, security, immigration, boarding, and arrival, all in English.
Exactly. Remember, traveling can be stressful, but if you know these key phrases, you'll feel much more confident.
And one more tip, always listen carefully to announcements. For example, Flight 202 to London is now boarding. Please have your boarding pass and passport ready.
Yes, and if you're not sure, don't be afraid to ask. You can say, "Excuse me, could you please help me? Is this the right gate for Flight 202?
That's perfect English for travelers.
All right, everyone, that's all for today's episode, English at the Airport.
We hope you learned lots of useful words and expressions.
Don't forget to practice by listening again and repeating the phrases out loud.
Thanks for listening, and see you next time on English Edge Studio Conversations.
Bye-bye.